I stretch it, whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait! What's up, guys? Welcome back to OK for Kids TV. And do you guys like to play with slime? And do you guys love to make it? What's your favorite kind of slime? Glitter slime? Non-sticky slime? Sticky slime? Colorful slime? So today we have a Galaxy Slime ball collection, and we're going to be opening these up. And thank you, Joyjoz, for sending us this slime collection. So let's open it and make sure to give us a big thumbs up. So there's 24 different kind of slimes in here, and this is like all of them. It's like a suitcase full of slime. That would be cool. That would be like I like slime. There's 24 different kind of slimes, and I don't know what I'm gonna open first. So I'm thinking about opening the first one. I'm gonna go across. So the first one is like has fruits in them and it's clear. So let's bust it. Boom. It came in just perfect. That is cool. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Like, comment down below what your favorite slime is. So, okay. So you gotta be very careful. It's kind of like putty at first, but then when you play with it more, it will turn into slime. Like actually slime. And it smells like soap. So now I'm gonna open this one. So I'll just go like that. Another perfect ball. Ready? So this one's the same thing. It has stuff in it, but the color. So whoa! Do you see that? Oh, that was okay. So stuff falls out of it. Yeah. So we're gonna set this onto the side. Okay, now we're gonna do 2 galaxy putties. So I'm thinking about being lucky. So I'm gonna do like a blue one. Whoa, it came out of a perfect ball. So the galaxy ones, they don't have stuff in it. But yeah. So we got it like stretch, okay. So it has gold, and this one has gold, blue, and purple. So now that's that one. We're gonna set it on that one. We're gonna do one more. Let's do this one. Okay, we already. Let's do one with the red, because that one has the same colors. Another perfect ball. It's shiny. It feels like an egg. Yeah. So when I stretch it, whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh, wait! And the best part is, right after you're done, you can put it back in the ball. And then you can reform it again, so then when you open it, it'll be perfect. Okay, so I put it back in the ball. I waited for a little bit. So now when I open it, and then you can take it out carefully again, and it's the same thing. And when you put it back in the ball, you can reform it better. It smells good, and it's like stretchy, wet. And yeah, it's pretty like not stick. It doesn't stick at all. I think the color is pretty cool. It's when you mix it, it will turn into like a different color, but it'll still be the same color. And yeah, that's